Channels like these are getting millions of views on their animated kids videos. And let's guess how much they must be making. If you guessed about $11,200 per month, very correct. If you see, this is about 5.6 in 14 days. So the estimated revenue could be up to $11,200 per month just with this. So I'm going to show you how to make this using free apps and AI as well. So stay tuned. So Kneller Fernandes here from Fit-Preneur-Ship. I help others start their own side hustle where they are their own boss and get to true time, location, and financial freedom. I've spent thousands of dollars learning how to do all this stuff, and I will be showing it to you on this channel, whatever I've been learning. So if you're interested, subscribe, hit the like button and the bell icon. So ready to get started? Comment, let's go, and let's get started. I'm going to show this to you in 5 easy steps. So the first step, I would suggest going to these channels and checking out what kind of videos they are making. Let's look at some of these, either fruits or vegetables, how to make something like this. Next thing is going to go to ChatGPT and give it a prompt like this. Please give me about 20 viral videos. I will leave this script in my free group so you can catch it out there. You can get it out there as well. And let's see what ChatGPT gives me. So ChatGPT is going to give me various viral ideas. You can do this with DeepSeek as well to get some good results. So you can see some great ideas coming up here. Only you'd have to put the niche out there. I did not put the niche. You'd have to do that. Now let's give it the next prompt where we wanted to put some more content. So say you like one of this time-lapse video, you could put that there. Now let's assume I've got one of these scripts and I'm going to use one of that. Now that's my first step. Go to ChatGPT and get all this information, get all the data out. Now for step 2, you're going to go to Canva and you're going to click on video. Now I want maybe a YouTube video. Now a blank video template should open up. Okay, so a blank one has opened up. Now I want to start putting in some elements. So elements, I can look for possibly an orange. Now I want to animate an orange character. So I'll look for orange and I could possibly use one of this. Let's see what are available. Maybe I can use this. Yeah, I can use that orange there. Next, I want to look for a few arms and legs and eyes. So let's say cartoon eyes. Okay, so I've searched them before, so they're showing up in my list. You might not see them, so you'd have to search. So that's looking good. Mr. Orange is looking good. Okay, so I'll search for arms next. Okay, I can put in some arms there. That's too big. Make it a little small. Out there. And leave this one. Again, that's too big. Make it a little small. And put that behind. And I want to send them to the back. So I click send backwards. And I'll search for legs now. Okay, so I prefer legs in the same direction. Maybe like this. Walking in the same direction. So you'll see why later. Okay, next, I can again send this at the back. Layer send backwards. Now I want to make the arms and all, the hands and all of the same color as the orange. So let's do that. The same color. And Mr. Orange looking good. Here, Picasso fruits now. Now next, I want to download this. So I'll click on download. And I do not want it as MP4. I just want it as an image file, a PNG. So I'll download that as a PNG. So I've got my orange downloaded as a PNG. That's my step 2. So I've downloaded my orange file. Moving on to our third step, you're going to go to this site, Animated Drawings. I'll leave the link below as well. So you can directly get to this. Now what you want to do is upload your photograph. Click on the photograph that I took out there from Canva. Now I go to the next and it'll analyze my photograph, and yeah, so it has directly seen the limits of the photograph, and that's good. In case I need to change that, I could just move it around a bit, make it a little bigger possibly. Yeah, so that nothing gets left out or cut out. Just a little bigger possibly. Yeah, that's good. I go to next. If the whole image is within this square, it is all good to go. Otherwise, you possibly will need to just draw a bit. You need to draw with these tools out here. As this is looking good, I can go to the next step. Now I need to, you can see here, move this around. So this is my left eye, right eye. I'll just put it in the middle of the eye out there where his ears would have been, his left ear would have been, his right ear where it would have been. And these other spots look good where the legs are. And yeah, after adjusting, I can again click on the next. And that's my dancing orange. See how easy it was? Now if I want, I just need to do this once. Now as I change this around, I can just click on another character and the whole animation changes. Okay, so the whole animation changes. So you have a lot of animations out here which you can choose from. So maybe I can use, depending on my script of what I had got earlier, I can just choose one of these. So maybe I can use maybe this guy doing something like that. Okay, so that looks good. Okay, he's moving his hands and his legs. So what I need to do to download this, I'll just click on this to make it bigger. Now at the end of the screen, I can just click on these three dots and download. And now the animated image would download. Next, I'm going to go to 11 Labs. I'm going to do a text to speech thing out there. I'm going to put the text I want and I'll choose a voice. If you can see her, I like this Gigi. Let's hear her.
Happiness can exist only in acceptance.
Okay, that sounds good. So let's use this voice. Okay, and let's start generating the speech.
Do you know what vegetable am I? I'm an orange. O-R-A-N-G-E spells orange.
Okay, that sounds great. So now what I need to do is click here and it will download onto my computer. That's great. I have the animated image and I have the sound as well. So now let's go back to Canva. I'm back in Canva. I can add a new canvas. I'm going to upload both the files, the 11 Labs file as well as the dancing file. Next, in Canva, you're going to pull this 11 Labs one onto the canvas. Yeah, you can delete the previous one out there, pull it onto the canvas and extend the canvas, and extend the audio timeline as well. Okay, now next I want to pull in my clip onto the canvas. Yeah, so that is there. Also, I want to put in a background. So cartoon background, that's what I'll be searching for. I can put that as well. I want to send this behind. So I do not want that to be in the foreground. I want it to be in the background. So I'll go to hit layers, backward. Now you can see this image here. I want to remove the background. So I'll remove the background of that. Yes, the background is off. Yeah. So next you want to add some text. So add a header or so. And you just put in the text of the script out there like I've done here. And now I hope you've got my error where orange is not a vegetable but a fruit. And then you're good to go. What you need to do is just download this as an MP4 itself and download. That's it. And next thing, you can upload it to YouTube and you're good to go.
Now, if you liked my video, please subscribe, like, and share this. Thank you!